We're going to be testing a new Grok Imagine Video 1.5 versus Seedance 2.0. We've got 4 scenes set up here, and we're going to go through each one, and we're going to see who can really produce a better high quality video. So, with all of these, we're going to test it. Let's go ahead and get into it. So, both Grok and Seedance are going to get the exact same picture and the exact same prompt. So, for this one, the astronaut picture, we have slow somatic push in toward the astronaut. Dust moves across the ground, sunlight flares over the horizon. The astronaut slowly turns their helmet toward the camera. Realistic physics, dramatic movie, trailer feeling, and subtle subject, no face or suit distortion. So we now have that generating. Let's see how long it takes. We do know that Grok is so much faster than Seedance, so that's one plus for sure. It only took Grok about 60 seconds to finish this video. All right. Okay, so that's really good. Let's see if he turns. Okay, so I can tell you right here that this is really good. This the way the dust is able to flow through the screen like that. I think that's great. The design on him, they were able to show the glare of the sun. I mean, it's crazy how far we've gotten with AI. So I will say too, the crack that was on the windshield or on his visor, it did not stay. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Overall, it just looks very cinematic, and this is exactly what we wanted from this. Let's see if Seedance can do it too. Okay, Seedance took about 4 minutes. Now let's check it out. Definitely a more cinematic sound. The dust you can see down here at the bottom. If I move myself out of the way here, it starts to like cut off. That doesn't, yeah, see, that doesn't look very good at all. And the sun, it didn't really do a great glare. I gave it the exact same prompt as Grok. Grok, I think, is going to get this win. So for this next prompt, we are going to test rain and like a woman crying, and just kind of moving around. And let's see how this works. So the prompt is subtle handheld camera movement. Rain slides down in the window. Neon reflection shimmer on her face. She slowly looks down at the coffee cup, blinks naturally, fingers gently rotate the cup, keeping facial identity and hands consistent. So let's see what we create here. Okay, here we go. It only took about 60 seconds. She does look depressed. She looks pretty depressed. The rain looks awesome. The way that she's moving, it looks very realistic. The way that the liquid is moving around in her cup. The neon lights, it stays consistent. You can see that it's still shining off of her very well. Very good cinematic feel. Grok 1.5 is doing amazing. Grok Video Imagine 1.5. The sound isn't bad. I will say that the rain, it didn't really catch me as much as it did on Grok. A lot less movement. I mean, you guys can understand, we gave it the exact same prompt, and Seedance, I don't think they're going to come with the win on this one either. I think Grok 1.5 Imagine Video has it. Okay, next we have a very fast-tracked motion blur type video game scene. I think this is going to be difficult for both, just with the rain splashing and the lights. This could prove to be difficult for both. So anyways, in the prompt, we have fast tracking shot beside the motorcycle as it races through the wet neon streets. Reflection move across the pavement. Sparks fly from the rear wheel. Background building streak with speed. Camera slightly shakes like an action movie chase. Keep bike shape consistent. So let's go ahead and do this. We'll put it through. And we'll do the same thing to Seedance. Okay, it took Grok about 60 seconds again, really fast. Okay. That'd be a really hard drift to do in real life. But, here we are, AI. I don't know what I was expecting with the sparks, but it didn't really get creative there, and I kind of wanted to give it something to kind of hick it up. and it still did it. Doesn't look the best. Not what I was thinking. I was thinking more like the feet kind of hitting the ground or something other than that, but that's okay. Also, you can tell the flames coming out. Actually, no, it looks okay. You guys let me know what you think. I think it actually did a pretty good job other than the sparks. It was something I was trying to trick it up on though, so that's on me. Okay, now we have Seedance's version. Took a lot longer, but let's see what it created. Oh, I mean that's already a whole lot better. That's well, I don't know. It's a little less cinematic. The other Grok 1.5 version was a little bit more cinematic, but just being clean, I think I'm gonna have to give this one a Seedance 2.0. Uh, it's very close though. What do you guys think? Let me know. I may be wrong. Okay, for our last one, this is going to be a test of just communication and how well they can put two people having a conversation together in an environment like this. It's kind of active. So we have a news station, the news anchors, they're talking, and here's the prompt: medium close up of a host speaking directly to each other like a professional news studio. Natural lip movement, subtle head motion, realistic blinking, small hand gesture on the desk, studio lights softly shifting in the background. Keep the same face, teeth, eyes, hands, and outfit consistent. So let's go ahead and run this through and see what Grok Imagine Video 1.5 creates. Okay, now this one took Grok a little bit longer than the other videos. I'd say about 2 minutes. So let's go see what it made.
Global tensions are escalating.
What's the latest from the summit?
They've issued a joint statement, but markets are reacting.
How will this affect trade?
We're monitoring it closely. Global tensions are escalating.
We're
What's the latest from the
monitoring it
summit?
closely.
They've issued
Okay, so honestly, that's not bad. They didn't like look unnatural in any kind of way, and that's just Grok has not always been like that. Grok can sometimes slip up for sure, but this no weird lip syncing. It all went together pretty well. Honestly, the head movements, the hand movements, all of it went together pretty good. I guess other than like them looking directly at the camera, they don't really look at the camera, and I think that's more of a news type thing for them to talk but also look at the camera. It didn't do that, but I also didn't tell it to do that. So something to keep in mind there. Let's see what Seedance made. Seedance was done by the time I got back. Let's see.
Even though the bureaucracy is frustrating, it's not as if the people are helpless.
Well, to some extent, but the reality is that the government and corporations have a lot of power.
Even though the bureaucracy is frustrating, it's not as if the people are helpless.
Well, to
So
some
I didn't
extent, but the reality is that
I didn't give them anything to talk about, so they kind of had to come up with that on their own. And I will say, Grok came up with a whole conversation on its own, way better. And normally, that's kind of more Seedance's thing. So that's definitely interesting. I think I'm gonna have to give it to Grok just because it did. Seedance did have good emotional, like emotional reaction, but Grok just overall just did the whole video way better. So guys, Grok Imagine 1.5 video, that's got to be the winner, man. I'd say that it's the winner. If you guys disagree, let me know. And we have more AI videos coming out. Let me know what you want to see.